Okay. Hello. Today, I'm going to show you all how to build a Honda Odyssey. It's a 2003 Odyssey, 5-speed, automatic transmission, which differs from the 4-speed, so don't get them confused. As you can see, I already have the parts disassembled and washed and cleaned up. That's boring, so you don't want to see that. So this is what happens after you got everything cleaned up and you already ordered the parts. You can call up Transtar, Parts Authority, Metran, whoever you like for transmission parts. The first step to building the transmission is music. You gotta put on some music. So it doesn't really matter what type of music as long as it's music. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. After this step, you might not hear what I'm saying. So just watch. Line only on one side that goes down, facing down.
What are they putting that building down there? Hold or something?
It's like some big refrigerator or something.
Hold or crossing.
It's a logistics warehouse. So yeah, refrigerated logistics warehouse. I saw that the other day. I was like,
Well, I thought they were building some sort of like at first
I think they're building a big refrigerator.
You know what I mean? Like indoors.
That would be cool. Shit.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
But they do have them.
Yeah, that would be cool.
But I think it's got to be bigger than that. A little taller.
Yeah.
Unless it's virtual and you're walking.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? They're blowing real snow at you.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it looks,
Yeah, they're shutting it. It blows it all. They're putting up a ton of money.
oh, sick. It's sick.
They're probably putting $1 million in the building.
At least. Did you see all the construction people there?
All new blacktop. You know, they're doing that just everything.
Yeah.
Everything. Souped it up. So
Oh, yeah.
they're planning on staying.
Yeah. Alright, where did I put my Honda from? Oh. Yeah, it's crazy. That's Ed.
Always